Okay, guys, you're welcome once more to our YouTube channel. This is Naija Pride Crazy Tips, and if you like what we're doing, just make sure you hit that subscription button and then turn on the notification bell on so that anytime we publish good videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to watch and grab the knowledge. Okay, so here we talk about how to make money online, and today I'm going to show you how to make this money through adsterra. Adsterra is one of the biggest AdSense alternative ad network which you can use to make huge amount of money. Okay, so and we have been cashing out from this platform, and if you watch our previous videos on all this adsterra stuff, you're going to see that we have been performing very good and nice there. Okay, so and I have this particular app which showed me how to do all these things. I got this app on Play Store, and the app there I read many things about adsterra, and I also implemented it, and I used my own initiative to handle some other technical know-how that is within the stuff, and I made up to $350 under 1 month. Okay, so and I'm going to show you everything here and right now. Okay, most of you have been asking me, how do I make this money, how do I make this money? I'm going to show you the app that helped me to run this stuff. So just follow me to Play Store. Once you go down to Play Store, then you go to and search for adsterra app. You see, so okay, here right now you're going to see other adsterra app, but this is the main one. This is the main one that you will install. This particular one, adsterra make money online. There are other adsterra stuff here, but this is the main one here, and that is the one we are going to be installing. Okay, then click on it like this, and I'm going to show you some other things here. Okay, you can see this is the home page of this particular app. You can see here now you make money from adsterra per month up to $600 USD. Then that is it. Then this particular site is you can see this one here. This side now is video. So the app contains video video tutorials that will help you and get you ready for the earning. Okay, and this particular point, and you can see it, these are the things that you also need to learn within the app. Okay, you can learn how to hide the CPM, the free traffic trick, and payment proof. All of them are inside this particular app. Okay, so that is it. The next one is, okay, you can see here the owner got up to 1,000 revenue here. You can see it here. So it's very simple, and everything is showed inside this app, so you can see what the young man has been getting from this adsterra. Okay, so you just need to go in there and get it. So, and the bonus inside that app is that you can get all pro blogging tools for free. You see, like plugins, themes, and other premium app that help in blogging life. Okay, so all these things are included inside the app. You can see the revenue, you can see good CPM. See this one, this young man got up to $209 under 1 day. So it is very simple, and you can see all these things are inside that app. How to drive traffic, all those things, they are going to teach you everything here. So that was how I was able to make that amount of money. Okay, so just install this app. Once you are done installing the app, and you are now okay to go. Okay, so that is about the adsterra, and that is about today's tutorial. Just make sure you follow it up and install this app, and that is it all. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and may God bless you.